So I'm working through the questions in the workbook for paper 2 on programming. So this is another one of those code questions where you just got to do what it says on the flowchart, follow it through. But it seems quite forbidding when you first go in and they've given you no lines of code to work with at all. So the first one says set the user input to 0. So you might put user input equals 0. Doesn't matter if you're not called it user input, you could have called it anything you liked. Yeah, but that's what it's wanting you to do, to set that to 0. Then it says display a prompt to get the user input. So there we'd put user input equals an input, a number. Now, because we know from the question that it's a number 1, 2, or 3 for high voltage, low voltage, or medium voltage, I was wondering what they were going to call that, then I'm going to put it as an integer input just because I know it's a number that's coming in. And I'm going to put in there in my thing, enter a setting, comma, 1 for low, 2 for medium, and 3 for high. So that's done that first bit of entering the setting. And then we've got these diamonds. Now, whenever you see these diamonds, you must think of these programmatically as being an if statement. So we're there going, if user input equals 1, what do we want it to do? We want it to print low voltage dash window is opaque. If it is not 1, you can do otherwise if, elif. And there you do user input. It should be a double equals. I've missed that on the first one. I put a single equals. It's not, it is 1. It's the same as 1. It's evaluative. So if it's the same as 2, then we want to print medium voltage. Window is partially transparent. And then last of all, you've got the else, because, well, actually, I was going to do the last one as being else. I'm not. I'm going to do another one. User input equals 3, and then do my print, which is high voltage dash window is fully transparent. So here I'm just doing the quotes as they appear in the flowchart. And the reason I paused and didn't was the flowchart has this thing at the bottom, display invalid input. Well, that can only be for somebody who doesn't put 1, 2, or 3, where it needs to say invalid input. So that's the else, in effect, to what we've just done. Yeah, the number's out of the range completely. Now it says, don't add any functionality, we haven't. Add comments to explain your logic. Now, that's doing things like this. So going next to that one and putting in a hashtag and saying the number is not 1, 2, or 3. Yeah, so that's what's going to make that one work. You might put here hashtag if statements to work out what to do. And that's it.